How to create a simple and aesthetic task tracker in Notion in only 10-15 minutes that will help you to deal with all your tasks on a daily basis and to acquire the habit of doing something. Notion is so powerful tool for staying productive and can help you dealing with different areas in your life. However, it isn't necessarily to learn it for many hours because the longer you wait to start something, the less chances you will do it anyway. Today we're going to create an ultimate task tracker in Notion in only 10-15 minutes. We'll see how it goes. And I will share it with you absolutely for free. The link will be in the description. Hey, it's Valeria, spelled with a double I, a full-time QA engineer turned freelancer, here to share my exciting journey from the world of remote work to building my own digital business. Glad to see you in my channel. And on this channel, I share my experiences as a nomadic freelancer on how to stay productive and enjoy this life. Let's get started. So I just created an absolutely empty page with no title, no design at all. And the only thing that I did previously is that I found some graphics on stocks and on design platforms to add a nice and aesthetic cover and icon. So first I'm going to give a title to our page. Let it be the task tracker. And we are going to add an icon. Here you can see there are lots of emojis and icons, but I'm going to proceed with my custom one that I previously downloaded, and I'm going to make it cute. Something like this. It's been uploading, so the next time you open this page, this will be right here. It doesn't matter if your file is deleted from your local system or not, it doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do now is to add a cover, and once I click the add cover button, it suggests me the cover. I guess it somehow matches the style of my icon, but probably it's just a coincidence. Okay, so I click the change cover button, and you can see the gallery here with different types of images. There are cow ingredients, something with space, and something more illustrated. But also we have an unsplash section here where you can type any search query, let's say scenery, and you will get the images of sceneries and the views of seaside. But again, I'm going to proceed with the custom one, so I choose upload file option and look for my prepared image, this one, and yeah, I like it. It's kind of pinkish and girlish, but it's okay for now. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to create two columns on this page. So I type this slash symbol and then search for two columns. Yeah, and here you can see that we have the left column and the right column, and we can adjust the width of these columns. So what I'm going to do here is again type slash and add image to make the design more aesthetically pleasant. So I found this cute cats for this page. Okay, it's uploaded, and I can adjust the size of this image the way I like. Okay, and here in Here for some reason we have 2 columns, so I just click on this 6 dots icon and delete it. Okay, so I will move the divider a little bit to the left, and now I'm going to add the text label that will be the task section. So I type tasks. No, not this way. I type 2 symbols and then press space, and it gives me the template for the heading. The size is second. So now I can type tasks and again slash, and let's say I want to be highlighted with the brown background, so I just start typing brown, and it gives me the option background color, so I choose this one, and now I have these section tasks highlighted in brown. So the next thing that I would like to add is to create an inline database where we will store all our data, all our tasks. So the first one will be just the all tasks. We can rename it to all and choose the icon that we like. I will go with the lists icon. I think it looks pretty nice. And also in each database, you have a title of the database. So right now by default it's untitled. I am going to rename it to tasks. Okay, so the first column will be named as what to do. The second property, I will change the type of property to date, and we'll name it as due. And the third property will be the checkbox, done. So if the task is done, we'll set the checkbox checked. Okay, so now let's create some samples of tasks. For example, to pay taxes, to schedule a meeting, to what else? To order groceries, to find cheapest flights to Tokyo, and what else? To complete university projects. Okay, and now we will set the due dates. Okay, here you can see we set all the due dates, and now I would like to create another view of the same database that will show only the current tasks that are not done yet and that are related to the current week. So to do this, I click this plus icon and it will suggest me to create a new view. So for now, I'm going to proceed with table again. I will rename it to this week. We'll capitalize it to attract the focus. And what I'm going to have here is that I'm going to create a filter, because here we have basic filters. I can select the done and unchecked, for example, and I can select due date and set the date relative to this week. So if I'm going to check this button, it will disappear from this view. You see, we have one less task. But in this view, where we have all the tasks available, you can still find this task, but it's in done status. Okay, so I think this one is very convenient for you because you can see your actual task for today. And let's change the icon and remove the exclamation mark here to make it again more pleasant. Alright, and also I can set a sort. For example, by date. You can select ascending or descending order, but I will go with the descending one. So the first one goes October 18th and then October 16th. Okay, that's good. And the last view that we're going to create here is the calendar view to see all our tasks in the calendar. So we can easily drag this task and assign it to any other day that we like. And it will be updated again in all sections and in this week as well. So I don't know why they are showing randomly, but I will drag them manually. Just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yeah, now we're good. And now I would like to add our checkboxes properties to make them visible. So we're going to our layout settings, and let's see, no, not layout settings, properties. And now we have only one property showing, but I'm going to turn all these checkboxes that we created. So now we have one card per each day, and we can tick the habits that we did this day, but what we are going to do in the end of the week. So for this, I'm going to create a button that I will call reset routine tasks, let's say. And what this button is going to do is that when we click this, we're going to edit pages in the selected database. So we called our database routines. So let's find it here. It's routine. And we select all these properties and just make it unchecked. So once I will click this button, this will reset all my checked options, and I will have an empty template for the new week. So let's see how it works. We'll place the button right on the routine tasks. Let me click it, and yeah, as you can see, all the properties that they are cleared, so you can try again. You can start your Monday from gym or whatever and take the check boxes. So now we have fully editable and customizable task tracker where you can track all your tasks at least on a daily basis for the current week and acquire the habit of doing something useful and helpful. So as you can see, that wasn't so difficult to create this template. Maybe we didn't spend 10 minutes, we spent a little bit more, but anyway, it's not so necessary to learn Notion for many hours, to watch a lot of videos, to familiarize yourself with how Notion works, and to start creating your own templates. So the last thing that I wanted to show you in Notion is that in this left menu panel there is a templates option, and once we click it, you can see that there are a lot of templates here that other people created for you. Of course, they are pretty simple because they are all free, but anyway, it suggests you 20,000 plus resources, which is good, and they are all categorized. So here you can research for anything that you need. Let's say you're a student and you're looking for a study planner, and here you can see you have even the category study planners. So here are all study planners that Notion suggests as free templates made by other users, and it's very good for you because you can find the particular template that you like in terms of aesthetics or in terms of structure, and try to use it, try to understand how it all works and how it was created. And if you click one of the templates, you will see the templates page where there is a lot of information about how this template was created and for what purposes. So if you like the aesthetics and the structure, you can add it to your own workspace and try to play with it. And here again you can see the fully editable and customizable template that you can try to play with. Have you seen it? We just created a simple but ultimate task tracker in Notion in only 15 or something minutes, and we didn't need to learn a lot of resources, to watch a lot of YouTube videos. So what I recommend you is not going deep into details, not trying to study and understand Notion formulas or something really difficult and complex. So I will suggest you to create a simple structure of your Notion database with at least 2-3 pages, no more than that, and to start using it. And while you're using it, you will understand how it works particularly for you, and then you can learn some tricks and a lot of more complex features of Notion, but that will be later. Just start with the basic one. And if you already started using Notion, don't move all your life there, because you can create or even buy templates for studying, I don't know, task trackers, habit trackers, all day trackers, everything particular that you can imagine can be moved to Notion. But you don't really need this because it's quite overwhelming and it distracts you from enjoying the process itself. Let's say you are working as a freelancer, you just need a task tracker, and probably you're studying any foreign language. So try using a language learning template and a task tracker, and that will be enough. Don't move all your data into Notion because you will be overwhelmed with just filling the data. See what you really need to document in Notion and what you really need to set aside from Notion, or maybe set aside even from taking notes, because you can't cover all areas of your life and document it. Because if you do it this way, you're not enjoying the process, you're just focusing on documenting it, and why do you need that? And the last tip for today, study different resources, read Notion documentation and watch YouTube videos once you familiarize yourself with the basics of Notion, because reading documentation is the best way to get deeper into the details and how it works, because Notion has really wide range of features that will help organize your personal and business life. And if you like my template that we just created, the link will be in the description. You can proceed this link, click on the duplicate button, and if you are a registered Notion user, you can just log in with your credentials, or if you're not, just create an account and this template will be duplicated to your workspace for absolutely free. And if you want to have some more complex templates right now and you don't want to learn a lot in Notion, I also have my own Etsy shop where I create my own templates for different purposes, for personal, business, for different areas in your life. So you can follow me on Etsy and buy any of my templates. The link again will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was very interesting and helpful experience for you and for me as well. Please let me know in the comments section which areas of your life you're covering with Notion, and probably you will share something interesting that I would also like to try. Hit the subscribe button to get some more exciting content about productivity and organizing your workspace, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!